Hello, dear students. Welcome to our channel, Passion for Economics. Let's get started with our learning journey.
Everyone, most welcome to our channel Passion for Economics. Today I am with retail subject with first sample paper as the examination time is going on. So let's understand this. The first part here you can see in retail subject there is a part A which is known as an employability skill, okay, which carries only of how much marks, 10 marks, okay. And this is having a this have actually 5 units: communication skill, self management, ICT, entrepreneur, and green. In each, objective type and subjective type questions will be there. Out of 6 you have to make any 4, out of 5 you have to make any 3. So the total marking will be 10 marks question. Okay, now coming to the next one, it is a subjective part B. In a part B subjective, if you will talk about it, here there are the 5 units. The total number of units are 5. And here you will be having 32 questions, out of which you have to attempt 26. Okay, 5 question you have to attempt any 3, 3 question you have to attempt any 2, 5 question you have to attempt 3. So you have to see that it is carries of 50 marks. So 50 plus 10, total 60 marks question paper of retail will be there. Now coming to the next part. Now here you can see that we will be going to start the first topic, first question paper, objective 1. Okay, here is the first question we will be discussing it. Now name the command is used to insert and delete a table in a document and format it. So the correct answer is that if you will go and see, it is the answer is table. Table is the correct answer for the question number 1. Question number 2, please write the correct point this option number. Okay, which of the following is not an entrepreneur value to be followed by the entrepreneurship? Independence is a correct, honesty is correct, disrespect is correct. Disrespect is correct? No, disrespect is not, right? So what should be the answer? The question has asked not it is asked, so C is a correct answer. Now coming to the question number 3, which of the following point highlight the importance of dressing appropriately, looking decent, and positive body language? So option number A is also correct, B is also correct, C is also correct, but D is not the correct answer. But it has not asked does not. So if it has asked does not, the answer would be D. But if it is asked which are the highlighted points, that will be all three: A, B, and C. Now coming to the next question. Question number 4, which of the following part is not a 4R of sustainability? So 4R of sustainability is refuse, reduce, recycle, and recreate. So which is not? So the option number D is a correct. D is a correct answer. Recreate is not a part of a 4R. Now coming to the question number 5. Dash is a feeling of certainty that something exists and it is true, especially one without proof. So the correct answer is D, belief. Okay. Which type of communication aim for both sides to win in a situation, balancing one rights with the right of others? So type of communication, you are talking positively or you are talking negatively or you are talking about in a very diplomatic way, it all depends. So if you want to win a situation, win-win situation you want to keep, you have to keep which type of communication is a assertive communication is important in a win-win situation. Now coming to the question number 2. Question number 2, now this is only the part for the employability skill. Okay, this many questions will come. Out of 6 you have to only go for 4. First 4 will be going to be checked. Okay, now coming to the question number 2. Question number 2, from there onwards, question number 6, there will be a part B, 1 mark questions will be there. So question number 2, first question, if you will see, a dash is a request for credit. When you make a request for a credit, it is known as a credit requisition, credit reporting, credit record, or credit check. The correct answer is A. Credit requisition is the correct answer. Okay, question number 2. Which of the following is a process of managing the prevention of work related injuries or diseases in the workplace? The correct answer You can see options are given: A, health and safety program; B, visual merchandising; C, product display; and D, retailing. The correct answer is A, health and safety program. Okay. Now question number third, dash sale refers to sale made to other business rather than individual consumer. Rather means not talking about individual, it is talking about business to business. So what should be the correct answer is B2B, that is business to business. Now coming to the next one, question number 6. The credit reporting agency measures the dash of customers. So what should be the correct answer here? Yes, the fourth question. The credit reporting agency measures the dash of customers. The correct answer here, it will be a credit worthiness. Okay, the correct answer will be a credit worthiness. Okay, which of the following does not relate with 5 C's of credit worthiness? 5 C's does not relate. Please look into it when it is not asking, means it is written not in the question. Not relate to 5 C's of credit worthiness. The correct answer, option number A, character; option number B, capacity; option number C, capital; option number D, creativity. What is the correct answer? The answer is D, creativity. Okay. Last question, not second last question of this part. What should be done, should be made available to reduce seriousness in injury in retail store? The correct answer is that if you got a hurt, like when you are playing for the sports or something like that, what is the first thing should be done, should be available is the first aid. First aid is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope is it clear to you this part. Okay, now coming to the next one. Next question here. This is the next question. Seventh one. A dash is a borrower of net worth. So you can see here it is given dash is a borrower of the net worth. Drawing capital, risk and condition. What should be the correct answer? The correct answer must be A, here capital. Capital is the correct answer. Okay, borrower of net worth, here it is comes as a capital. Okay, now coming to the question number third. Third is also from the part B. Okay, coming here you have to do answer any 6 out of 7 questions. Okay, 7 questions are given. You have to go for only 6 questions. So the first one, if you will see here, window display is the dash originated sales promotion. Okay, what should be the correct answer here? Window display is the dash originated sales promotion. The correct answer is retailer. Here the answer is retailer. A risk assessment examination, the dash condition at a workplace. Risk assessment examines the dash condition at the workplace. Uneven flooring, spills, misplaced boxes, and hazardous. The correct answer is what? D, hazardous. Okay, next question, question number third. Which of these is not essential element of contract of sale? So you might have learned about the contract of sale. It is mannequin, transfer of property, money consideration, and option number D is goods. So here option number A is a correct, mannequin. Now coming to the next, registration and maintenance is compulsory in dash retail business. रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस, ऑब्वियस सी बात है, यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है ऑप्शन नंबर ए स्टोर, ऑप्शन नंबर बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, ऑप्शन नंबर सी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड नॉन स्टोर. So which are the unorganized, non-stores and stores that will not require any registration and maintenance? So B option is a correct, that is organized. Organized, that is registration and maintenance is very important. Now coming to the next, what is the full form of OHS? What is the full form of OHS? It is occupational health and safety. Okay. Now coming to the next one, question number 6. A retailer, before extending credit, should verify a customer to repay, among other things. So here, if you will see, option number A is personality, option number B is ability, option number C is religion, and option number D is gender. What should be the correct answer? A retailer, before extending credit, should verify a customer to repay. So if you are giving anybody a credit, before that, what you need to? You need to understand that that person is able to give you back the money or not. So what should be the answer? A, personality, B, ability, religion, and gender. So the here answer is B, ability. He should able to pay back you the money which he or she has borrowed. Now question number 7, you can see keeping a dash will help avoid risk of robbery and shoplifting. Option number A, security guard. Option number B, salesman, fireman, and receptionist. That third class student can also able to answer about this question. Keeping a dash will help you avoid risk of robbery and uh, shoplifting. So the correct answer is what? A, security guard. Now coming to the question number fourth part. In this question part 4, answer out of 5 you have to, means 6 questions will be given and you have to solve how many? 5 questions you have to do. So the first question is, what is the full form of CRM? Now you have to learn all the full form. Okay, write in a one page, you can write all the full form. CRM. So what is the correct answer? Is customer relationship management. Okay, customer relationship management is the correct answer. Now question number 2, which of the following is most commonly used floor plan in Indian retail industry as and is economically as well? So the options: A, diagonal, B, straight, C, angular, and D, geometric. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer here is a straight floor plan is the correct answer. Now question number 3, which of the following is a specific skills? Carpentry, teamwork, time management, and self motivation. So what do you think? What is a specific skills? Here it is as specific skills. The correct answer is what? Carpentry. Next question, here you can see dash is a and record of accident and emergency are legal requirement for a retail store. So if anything happen, okay, any fire or any type of robbery or anything where the legal requirement is required in your retail store, so what should be the answer? You should enjoy, you should shout, you should run, or you should report. The correct answer is C. Reporting and recording of accident and emergencies are legal requirement for a retail store. Okay. I think it is clear to you this part of the question part. I think it is clear. Now coming to the next one. A person who regularly buy milk from the supermarket is a dash customer. Wondering, loyal, impulsive, and D is a discount. What is regular buyer? You have to see here. The nature is regular buyer. मतलब वो आपकी शॉप छोड़ के किसी और शॉप में जाने जाता ही नहीं है खरीदने के लिए. ठीक है, वो आपकी शॉप में आता है और आपसे ही खरीदता है. Then it is called as a be loyal, right? How will the sale executive respond when an item is not available to the customer? The correct answer is with positive language. With a positive language is a correct answer. Okay, so now coming to the question number 5. So you have a very good opportunity, dear student, as you have a lot many MCQ questions, around 30 marks MCQ questions are coming, right? So you have a big opportunity to score better in retail subject. Now coming to the VPN. VPN, if you will talk about here, is visual private network, virtual protocol network, virtual private network, or virtual protocol networking. What is the correct answer? Is a visual private network. Next, second is an ability to do work with expertise. What is the correct answer? Is a skills. Right? Which of the following should be up to date for customers' data protection? Okay, the answer is third. What should be the answer? IT system, music system, home theater, or retail outlet? Which of the following should be up to date for customer data protection? डाटा आपका जो शॉप में आप कंप्यूटर यूज़ कर रहे हो या डेटा सिस्टम यूज़ कर रहे हो, लैपटॉप यूज़ कर रहे हो, तो उसमें आपका पूरा डेटा होगा, राइट? तो उस डेटा को अप टू डेट रखना, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करके रखने के लिए कौन सा सिस्टम ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है? डेफिनेटली IT सिस्टम. Next question. Dash is a web-based sale, indirect sale, direct sale, cautious data, electric based data. So definitely the correct answer is D, electric based. D is the correct answer. Now here you can see which of the following is an example of franchising. So which of the following is an example of franchising? Option A, B, Reliance. Option C, Bata. Option D, Lucy Philby. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is your favorite, or it is A. Next, sixth, dash services refers to all the things a retailer does for the care of their valued customer after they buy their product. So the correct answer is after sale. After sale is a correct answer. Service refers to all the things retailer does care, valued. आपने सामान खरीद लिया, उसके बाद आप किस तरीके से उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं कि वो चीज़ कैसी चल रही है, कस्टमर से अप टू डेट नॉलेज ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, कि आपको आप सर्विस के लिए बुला रहे हैं, वो सब आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज होती हैं जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं फॉर द रिटेलर, ओके, as well as for the customers. Okay, now coming to the next one. So the after sale is a correct answer. Question number 6. This is the last part of your MCQ. Okay. Last part of the MCQ, you can see here, out of 6 question, you have to go for the 5 question. Out of 6 question, you need to go for the 5 questions. Okay. So first one, question number 6. In retailing, product are also called as. So what is the answer? You can write here as a product is also known as a goods. Dash operate between manufacturers and retailer. You have to understand there is a manufacturer, then there is a wholesaler, then there is a retailer, and then there is a consumer. This is a channel. But here it is only asked manufacturer or retailer के बीच में क्या आता है. So this is the correct answer is C, wholesaler. Question number 3. Dash is an item offered for a sale. Dash is an item offer for a sale. क्या चीज़ offer होती है? Here the correct answer is C. It is very easy. The product you offer for a sale. The local kirana shop is an example of dash retailing. So it is organized or unorganized. Definitely the answer of kirana shop is a unorganized. ठीक है, unorganized is the correct answer. Now last 2 questions. Dash highlights various product offering along with their brief descriptions. Store area, point of sale, product web pages, audio tapes. You have to do this. Dash highlights various product offering along with their brief description. What should be the correct answer? प्रोडक्ट वेब पेज, क्योंकि आप किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के वेब पेज में जाएंगे तो वो आपके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताएगा, प्रोडक्ट की इंफॉर्मेशन देगा, उसका ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन देगा. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? सी होगा. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज अ फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CSA? व्हाट इज अ फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CSA? CSA full form is Customer Service Associated. So dear children, this is a very good subject, retail, and if you will prepare well, score well, it will give you a very good opportunity to score and bring your result to the mark. So keep learning with this channel. Next video will be based on a subjective question answers.
We're thrilled to have you here with us. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting updates, and share your thoughts in the comments.